with this week's guest, Josh DeWay.
No, don't be someone else. Be your best self.
Yeah.
And that's what I like. That's what I like about you. You're trying to be your best self. I mean, it's not a very good self, but it's your best self.
Well, I thought you said you don't roast. Everything coming.
I know. Damn it, that's the problem with having somebody who's actually a friend that you're talking to.
Damn, bro, I knew it was coming. Honestly, I'm happy you did that. All the nice stuff was making me feel weird. I was like, 2 days ago he introduced me with this guy sucked a lot of dick in Hollywood, and now. What the fuck, GD? God damn.
Linda Marcus Smith.
On May 12th, I'm going to have another Zoom comedy show for the military. I have Venmo and Cash App, and GD will put that up here later. He'll cover his whole face. You want to look for it. He's going to cover his face and have my way that you can help donate to me doing military Zoom comedy shows.
Rhonda Handsome.
And I just did something this week, last night at a little place called Poco. I had never been there before. But I kept praising the audience. I actually said, I'm going to take you home with me if we can sign a prenup. Because
the legend, Harry Kurtz.
Now, this is the pre-suspender Robin Williams that you met.
Yeah, I met Robin in 74. I went out there just to see what San Francisco was like. And I was wearing suspenders. I've been wearing them since 68. And he says, I love the suspenders. Why do you wear them? I said, because I don't like anything squeezing my waist. I hate to be restrained. I'm not good with rules. He goes, oh my God, I'm the same way. Next day he shows up in suspenders.